Imagine a perfect morning. Wake up. And the first thing that comes to your mind is that delicious, refreshing smoothie packed with vitamins that you're going to enjoy to kickstart your day. But wait, you don't just have an ordinary blender to make it. No, you have the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Blender 2-in-1, a technological gem that will transform your mornings, and so much more. If you're interested, feel free to click the link in the description right now to learn more about its unique features. See hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers and order yours at the best price right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. This blender is perfect for healthy and creative cooking enthusiasts looking to easily prepare smoothies, sauces, and nut butters. It's perfect for those who want professional results with minimal effort. This blender is so much more than just a simple kitchen appliance. It's a revolution. Why? Because it's designed to meet all your needs, from the most basic to the most complex. Whether you want to make a simple smoothie, a delicious sauce, or even creamy nut butters, the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Blender is here for you. With its powerful 1100W motor and smart torque technology, it doesn't back down from anything. Even the thickest blends can't resist it. You'll never have to worry about blockages or unexpected stirring again. The Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Blender stands out for its ability to create various textures, thanks to its 400ml Power Nutri Bowl, an integrated motorized paddle. You can easily make thick preparations that you'll enjoy with a spoon. Spreads, nut butters, and smoothie bowls have never been easier to make. And that's not all. For smooth drinks and sauces, the 700ml Power Nutri Cup with its spout lid is perfect. You can take your creations with you anywhere, ready to be enjoyed at any time. But the magic of this blender doesn't stop there. With its 6 automatic programs, Auto IQ technology takes over to give you perfect results every time you use it. Whether you need to blend, crush, or just mix, a simple press of a button is all it takes. These smart programs use sequences of pulsing, pausing, and blending to ensure a perfect consistency. No more failed blends or poorly mixed ingredients. The Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Blender does all the work for you. Using the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Blender is truly child's play. Easy to use. With its one-touch controls, it offers you unmatched simplicity. And when it comes time to clean up, there's no hassle. All the parts are dishwasher safe, saving you precious time and sparing you from extra chores. Its compact and sleek silver design fits perfectly into any kitchen, adding a modern and sophisticated touch. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. Despite its compact size, it offers generous capacity and unmatched performance. Weighing just under 2 kg, the device is a sturdy tool, yet easy to move if needed. The Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Blender is not only powerful and efficient, but it's also built to last. Its hybrid edge stainless steel blades ensure precise and efficient cutting with every use. Durable against the test of time and the toughest ingredients. Now I suggest we recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, high power. With its 1100 watts, the smart torque motor ensures uninterrupted performance and over 10% more efficiency, even for the thickest blends. Advantage number 2, Auto IQ technology. The smart automatic programs simplify usage by automatically adjusting the pulsing sequences. Pause and blend. Advantage number 3, versatility. Capable of preparing a variety of textures, from smooth smoothies to thick nut butters. Advantage number 4, ease of maintenance. All the parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Advantage number 5, compact and elegant design. It fits perfectly into any kitchen without taking up space. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, noise. Like many powerful blenders, it can be quite loud when in operation. In summary, the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Blender 2-in-1 is the perfect tool for anyone looking to enhance their diet and daily routine. It allows you to prepare a wide range of recipes, from the lightest to the thickest, with incredible ease. You will never be limited by the capabilities of your blender again, I promise you. You will be able to experiment, create, and enjoy healthy and delicious dishes every day. For those who love smoothies, this blender is a dream come true. You can blend your favorite ingredients to make thick smoothie bowls, perfect for a nourishing breakfast. For fans of light and velvety drinks, the Power Nutri Cup is perfect for making smoothies, milkshakes, and even cocktails made with crushed ice. The possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for to transform your kitchen and your diet? Click on the link in the description to order now at the best price, learn more, and discover the hundreds of customer reviews who have already adopted and loved it. Make your kitchen a ninja kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. With that, I sincerely thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.